adjoint and inverse of a square matrix. First, adjoint of square matrix. Adjoint of square matrix. Let A equals to Aij be a square matrix of order n, and Cij be their cofactors of elements of matrix A. Then transpose of their cofactors, matrix is known as adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of matrix, and is denoted by adjoint A. Suppose A be a square matrix of third order, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and their cofactor matrix be C11, C12, C13, C22, C23, C21, 22, 23, C31, C32, C33 cofactor matrix. Then adjoint A equal to transpose of this cofactor matrix. That is, transpose means changes rows into column or column into rows. So changes first row into first column, that is C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. This is adjoint of matrix A. Now, theorem first. If A be a square matrix of order n, then A into adjoint A equal to determinant of A into unit matrix of nth order, or this equal to adjoint A into matrix A. Now inverse of matrix. Let A be a square matrix of order n, then it is invertible or inverse exists when A into B equal to in, or this equal to B into A, where B is a square matrix of same order. Then B is known as inverse of A. Inverse of A. That is A inverse this equal to B. Stop. Now from this theorem, A into adjoint A equal to determinant of A into In, implies as A into adjoint A divided by determinant of A equal to In, or this equal to A into adjoint A by determinant of A equal to In. Therefore, we see that A inverse equal to adjoint A divided by determinant of A. Since A into B equal to In, then A inverse equal to B. A inverse equal to B. So here B is this, A adjoint A by determinant of A. Therefore, A inverse equal to adjoint A divided by determinant of A. Now, stop. Find adjoint and inverse of matrix 1 2 5, 1 minus 1 1, 2 3 minus 1. So to find adjoint inverse, first find cofactor of each element of given matrix. So now find C11 means cofactor of first row, first column. C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. First put its sign. Sign means row plus column. If sum of row plus column is even, then sign will be positive, and sum of rows and column odd, then sign will be negative. 2 plus 1 3 means odd, negative. 2 plus 2 4 means positive. 2 plus 3 negative. 3 plus 1 positive. 3 plus 2 negative. 3 plus 3 6 means positive. Now find cofactor of C11. C11 means 1. So deleting first row and first column. Determinant of remaining element means minus 1 into minus 1. 1 or minus product of these two means 1 plus 3, 4. C12. 12 means 2. Deleting first row and second column. Determinant of remaining member 1 into 1 minus 1 or plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 means 1. 1 3 means 5. Cofactor of 5. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 5. 2 1 means 1. Deleting second row first column. Determinant of remaining 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 15 means minus 17. 2 2 means minus 1, cofactor of minus 1. Deleting second row and second column, determinant of remaining minus 1 minus 10. Minus 1 minus 10 means minus 11. 2 3. 2 3 means again minus 1. First deleting second row and third column. Second row, third column. The determinant of remaining 1 into 3 or minus 4. 3 minus 4 means minus 1. Now cofactor of 3 1. 3 1 means 2. So deleting first column and third row, determinant of remaining will be minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5 means 3. Cofactor of 3. So deleting second column and third row, determinant of remaining minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 5 means minus 6. Cofactor of 3 3. 3 3 means minus 1. The deleting third row, third column. Third row, third column. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now find adjoint A. So adjoint A is transpose of their cofactors. So transpose of their cofactor means rows changes into column. That is 4 minus 1 5. Second row changes into second column means 17 minus 11 plus 1. Similarly, third row changes into third column 3 plus 6 minus 3. This is the adjoint of matrix. And now finally find inverse of this. So A inverse equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So first find determinant of A. So determinant of A is the sum of their product of the member of rows and their corresponding cofactors. That is, multiply the member of first row with cofactor of first row. That is 4 into 1 4 plus minus 1 into 2 minus 2 5 into 5 25. 25 plus 2, that is 27. So this equal to 1 by 27 into 4 17 3 minus 1 minus 11 6 5 1 minus 3. Also you can check determinant from second row and third row. This will be same. Second row from second row minus into minus plus 17 into 1 17 minus 11 into plus 11 or minus 1 means 27. Again from third row 3 into 2 6 6 into 3 18 or minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. This is also equal to 27. So this shows cofactors, all the cofactors are correct. So therefore A inverse equal to adjoint A by determinant A means 1 by 27 into adjoint A. The value of adjoint A is this 4 17 3 minus 1 minus 1 6 5 1 minus 3. This is the answer of A inverse.